Today I'm going to show you how to put in the curly hair pieces that we use for some scenes in ballets. So there are several different types of these curly hair pieces. This is the kind you want if you're putting it over a bun. There's another kind of hairpiece like this. It has a butterfly clip, but that's not going to stay securely over a bun, so make sure you get the mesh kind with the drawstring. So using the wire combs that are attached to the headpiece, you can either attach those to the top and bottom of the bun or to the sides of the bun. And then the next thing you would do would be either to attach it on the sides with bobby pins and then pull the drawstring, or pull the drawstring and then attach the sides with bobby pins. I usually attach it with bobby pins and then pull the drawstring. You're going to want to use the big bobby pins for this, especially if you're dancing. That'll stay a lot better than regular hairpins or small bobby pins. After you've pulled the drawstring tight, make sure to secure it with the bobby pins. And then after that, you're going to go around the edges of the hairpiece, securing it with bobby pins as best as you can. After you've secured it with bobby pins, shake your head to see if you need to add more bobby pins. If it's good, then you're done. Comment if you have any questions.